get your pictures quickly and find your seats. We got a very narrow window for the weather. We'd love to get this airplane offload. Okay? Thank you very much. We gotta get off the
Hey, Georgia.
Oh, exactly.
Wait, we don't have to. I'm sorry. I see all day. We're perfect. I've done that time with smoking. Yeah, this must be the pilot's getting the first load out. You know?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 117th Air Refueling Wing. I'm Colonel Steve Berryhill, the commander here. I'd like to present you the crew of Fat Albert, United States Marines, United States Navy. Welcome Toys for Tots to Birmingham. I really appreciate everybody's patience today. The weather has been difficult. I just want to assure everybody that our first thought is here's the safety of everybody that's participating in this event. We had quite a bit of lightning today. We're very concerned about the safety of the crew, the safety of the logistical guys that are moving all this great stuff off the back of this airplane for our community. And we just wanted to make sure that we could do it safely without anybody being injured. We're really fortunate that we got a gap in the weather, so we're hoping that we can get everything off the airplane before it really opens up on us. I'd like to introduce a couple of folks. I think we actually have a hometown hero here.
Amanda Christian, who has a few words to say of her own. So thank you very much for your support, for being here today. Happy Thanksgiving and have a great Christmas.
On behalf of Lee Moore and all of our staff at More and More Advertising, it's an honor to be here today. We've been working with Toys for Tots for several years, and when the tornadoes hit in April, we knew it was going to be a tough year for our state. And we began planning the largest toy drive that our state will ever see with Toys for Tots. So thank you to Lockheed Martin for getting us started today and bringing in these toys. We still have a big mission for this 2011 toy drive. We need to make sure that every child in the state of Alabama has a toy under the tree this Christmas. Think we can do that? This is Gunnery Sergeant Donald Allen. He and his men are in charge of collecting and distributing toys in our area. So with the help of you getting toys off to the Birmingham Auto Dealers Association, all of our sponsors, and supporting your local YMCA, we can get that done. Gunnery Sergeant and his men will be hard at work, really up until Christmas, getting all those toys into these people's hands. Let's give these U.S. Marines a round of applause.
I don't know.